our YouTube channel. Nirantara. Forever connected. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Don't put this Thanksgiving cookware and Serveware in the dishwasher. With Thanksgiving comes a lot cooking, and with a lot cooking comes many soiled dishes. The common residence chef already is aware of that some cookware simply doesn't belong in the dishwasher. However, what about these specialty objects that solely come out for giant holidays? Right here is what can't go within the dishwasher after your huge meal. Hand-painted glassware or crystal. The superb flatware and delicate teacups you haul out for fancy sit-down dinners ought to not be allowed any place close to your dishwasher. Crystal is extra delicate to warmth than common glass, according to apartment therapy. So even in case you use the logic that different glassware does superb within the dishwasher, you are enjoying a dangerous recreation. If the warmth doesn't crack it, detergents could be abrasive and put away on the crystal, too. And dishwashers can additionally chip the paint of your hand-painted items. Copper and silver. Copper and silver are each on the listing of issues that may go in your dishwasher, according to Whirlpool. Copper can pit and turn out to be discolored, and silver might tarnish or have chemical reactions. Keep on with hand washing for these. Tin and aluminum. If, for no matter purpose, you need to reuse the disposable aluminum dish you used to prepare dinner your turkey, you'll have to wash it by hand. According to Today, not solely can the recent water stain the floor and boring the end of disposable tins, however the little ones, such as you use for pie, can mark up different objects in the event that they transfer round in the course of the cycle. Something gold-toned. When you have got gold-rimmed plates or gold-colored flatware, don't put them in your dishwasher. Both, in accordance with apartment therapy, your extra delicate gold issues can chip, and even the sturdy gold forks and knives you cherish can flip a distinct shade after repeated rides via the dishwasher. Once more, hand-washed solely. Something insulated. If you happen to use insulated journey mugs or thermoses for leftovers, they will run via the washer after you are executed with them, otherwise you threat breaking their vacuum seal and damaging the insulation inside, per Whirlpool. Printed measuring cups. In the present day additionally cautions towards placing printed measuring cups within the dishwasher after getting ready your meal. One cycle might not harm them, however repeated exposures to the warmth and strain can injure the numbers on the skin, rendering them type of ineffective. Thank you for being a valued member of the Nirantara family. We appreciate your continued support and trust in our apps. Nirantara Social, stay connected with friends and loved ones. Download now, Nirantara Social. Nirantara News, get the latest news and updates on the go. Install the Nirantara News app, Nirantara News. Nirantara Fashion, discover the latest fashion trends and styles. Get the Nirantara Fashion app, Nirantara Fashion. Nirantara Tech Buzz, stay up to date with the latest technology trends and news. Install the Nirantara Tech Buzz app, Nirantara Fashion. Infinite Travel Deals 24, find incredible travel deals and discounts. Install the Infinite Travel Deals 24 app. Infinite Travel Deals 24. If you haven't already, we encourage you to download and experience these fantastic apps. Stay connected, informed, stylish, and explore amazing travel offers with the Nirantara family. Thank you for being a valued member of the Nirantara family. We appreciate your continued support and trust in our apps. If you haven't already, we encourage you to download and experience these fantastic apps. Stay connected, informed, stylish, and explore amazing travel offers with the Nirantara family.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.